Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to compare two Chanel lipsticks. They are both red, and the first one is a Rouge Coco Flash, and the number is 156 Delicatesse, and I'm gonna compare it to the new Rouge Coco Bloom in the number 140 Alive. So if you want to see if there's any difference in the formula between these two lipsticks, keep on watching. This is how the packaging looks for the Coco Flash. This is the Coco Flash, and as you can see, it looks extremely hydrating, and it feels hydrating as well, and it's a very high shine lipstick. Now this gives me the feeling of a lip balm that has a lot of pigment, not necessarily a regular lipstick. It feels like it would most likely need to be reapplied throughout the day, which is something that I enjoy personally. But the color is beautiful, and it's, like I said before, it's extremely hydrating. Now for the Coco Bloom, I have to apply it in a different way because I don't actually have the lipstick, but I do have a sample. This is the color 140 Alive, and it's a beautiful red tone. And this lipstick comes with this type of packaging. And this is how it looks. As you can see, Coco Bloom is really shiny. I love a very shiny lipstick, and even with a sample, you can tell that it has a very high pigment. So what is the difference between the Coco Flash and the Coco Bloom? In my opinion, the Coco Flash, at least in the color that I got, is more like a lip balm with a high pigment, which can be buildable, but it feels like it would not last as long on the lips. Now for the Coco Bloom, what I can see is that even with a brush application, it has a very high pigment, and it feels more like a lipstick. The formula feels more like a lipstick, not like a lip balm. So which one do I recommend? I think it really depends on what you're looking for in a lipstick. If you're the kind of person that likes more everyday looks and it's not into high impact lipsticks, then the Coco Flash is perfect for you. Now if you like a very strong lipstick, I definitely would go with the Coco Bloom. And this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you found this comparison informative, and if you were thinking about getting either or even both, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this type of content of reviews of high-end makeup and also first impressions, feel free to subscribe and also to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you'd like to see more images and written reviews of high-end makeup, feel free to join me on my Instagram. And I will see you in the next video. See Coco Bloom, Coco Flash and the Coco. So what is the difference between the Coco Flash and the Coco? Coco. So So what is the difference between the Coco Flash and the Coco Bloom? Well, in my opinion, the Coco... So what is the difference